Programming is everywhere in our modern world. It's how our phones work. It's how websites are built. Even your car uses programming. Learning to code opens up amazing possibilities. You can build apps, design websites, or even work with artificial intelligence. Programming is a valuable skill. It can lead to exciting jobs and new opportunities. You don't need to be a genius to learn. Anyone can learn to code with the right resources and dedication. Many people think programming is only for math experts. That's not true. You don't need any prior experience to start. Just like learning a new language, you start with the basics. There are many ways to learn programming today. Online platforms offer interactive courses. Coding games make learning fun. Don't be afraid to start. Take the first step and see how rewarding it can be. The best part? Many resources are completely free. Websites like Codecademy and Khan Academy offer excellent beginner courses. Websites like Free Code Camp and W3 Schools have tons of tutorials and exercises. Join online forums or communities. Ask questions and learn from others. The programming community is very welcoming to beginners. You'll find lots of support on your journey. The key to learning programming is practice. Start with small coding projects. Build a simple calculator or a to-do list app. As you gain confidence, try more challenging projects. Contributing to open-source projects is a great way to learn from others. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn and improve. With persistence and curiosity, you can master the art of programming.